and it dug in. And that powder probably just hit my white jeans. Anyway, I'll keep that one. And then the last but not least is Plum Tutu 183. DiorShow 5-color is what these are. And I have green eyes, hazel green, so it's kind of green, gold, brown. Not brown, green, gold. And there, that one's easier too. Now this is, that makes some sense. It's got like a really high shimmer towards the white, the champagne, and then it's got a deeper pink, which you could use a small brush to use that for blush. And then it's got a purple in the middle and kind of a purple brown, which is great for your brow. This will be another keeper. And I do like purple on my eyes because they're green. And then you put this little tray back in. I hope it doesn't scrape it. Nope, I did. I scraped it again. Y'all, what's with me? Scrape that corner right there. Dang. Put it in nicely. And put these back. The only reason I do keep those sometimes is because it does, if you do put it in your purse, like if you want to have it to touch up at work or something, if you work in the office or just wherever you might want to touch up, it does kind of keep it flat, and so it's less likely being in your purse to get cracked, because it is a cake product, and so you can eat it. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm going to keep 2. This other one I might use for a giveaway. That'd be a really nice giveaway, y'all. What do you think? Those are going to slide off. I'm not going to even, and I didn't scrape that one, so I'm going to get any dust off of it. And I'm going to slide it back in there, and this is going to be a part of a giveaway. DIOR. Also got a big Bible. So I got some things to give away for sure. And I think that was it. I've missed you guys, and I mean, I genuinely have missed you guys. And talk to me below, comment below, what are the kind of things you want to see. I do some unboxings of bags. I am fixing to sell. I've got a little stack of handbags that I'm fixing to sell. Let me know if you want me to show them to you. And right now I'm going through the Real. They didn't give me a good quote for my product, so I said no. I may go back to Fashion File or maybe try Facebook Marketplace. That's where I sold my jumbo Chanel. I paid $5,000. I got $6,000 for it, so I made $1,000 on it. A week later, it went up to almost $10,000, so I lost $4,000 more. But still, I made $1,000, and I just wasn't wearing it. And there's another bag over here, my Sacred bag, that I'm not wearing because I'm afraid of, you know, like, oh, that was air conditioning. I'm surprised that Velvet hasn't coughed either, so that's a good thing. Because it's going to be in the background a lot. And I think people are like, oh, you're so mean. I will hold her. I've gone to the doctor 11 times trying to find the right medicine for her. She is 15 years old. She's not suffering to a point that, you know, I need to let her go on to let Jesus pick her up. Because she'll have good days and bad days. And on a good day, she just loves to run and play and bark and eat treats and be held and cuddled, and she's my little cuddle bug, and Bree's my little angel cake. My mother used to do little terms of endearment, and she called me angel cake and cuddle bug. And so Velvet's my cuddle bug, and Bree is my angel cake. So I've named them, even though I never named my grandbabies those things. I'm not getting to see them as much as I thought I would, just because they live on the other side of the city, and you'd think, was this just over there? We see them maybe once a month. We try, at least, to do once a month, but I do miss them. So, just going to have to make more of an effort. It's not really us. They're just busy as a little young family, and I get it. Each one of them, all 3 kids, and then one of my grandkids has gotten married, and she has 2 children, so I have 2 great-grandchildren now. It's a busy life. I'm still working. I turned 65 August 17th, and there was a big party. In June, I got 20 years at Chick-fil-A, and there was a big party. Excuse me, I know it sounds so gross. I didn't mean to do that. And now I'm probably going to start joking, so I'll let y'all go. But so there's just been a lot going on besides just so busy with work, home. When my life group's coming over, I have to spend so much time getting my home in order because it gets out of order, which is good. when you have other people over, tell me, is it good for y'all when people come over? Because that makes you actually clean your house. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do with my hair. What style. Like I just kind of, not rolled it, but rolled it on my brush today. And it's so full of hairspray right now. But I'm feeling like as I've gotten older, it's just not as shiny healthy because I use a dryer. And I'm thinking about using those kind of suede sponge rollers. What are they called? I forgot the name, but when I get them, I'll do a haul and product review because it's a very, very soft, not like the old-fashioned pink sponge rollers with the little clip over. You just go to, basically you comb your hair out after you dry it off pretty good, towel dry it. You comb your hair out and then you roll it up damp, and when you wake up in the morning, it's gotten absorbed back into the rollers, the little sponge rollers. They're soft so you can sleep on them, and these are made of like a suede kind of microfiber, so they're not even like the sponge, so it's very comfortable. I'm going to order them, and you don't put any heat on your hair at all, so it makes your hair look very silky for and your curls are set till you wash it again. So, may do it, y'all. What do y'all think? And so you don't have to use so much hairspray, and I think that's also what's drawing out my hair is all the hairspray. So, I don't know. Tell me if you've got older hair, what are you doing to try to help it? I tried Nutrafol, and then I heard some guy, it's got ashwagandha in it, healthy things, but heard a guy died from that. Not Nutrafol, but having too much ashwagandha. Because when you do a lot of supplements, everybody's different, but his liver couldn't take it. So it's like, yeah, even though it's healthy, you're still putting your liver through processing, the supplement. So, I don't know. There's so many things out there, try this, try that, keto, don't do keto. You can eat eggs. Eggs cause cholesterol. So cholesterol in an egg doesn't make cholesterol in your body, just like fat. Eating fat doesn't make you fat. You watch the calories, that's what makes you fat. And very careful of sugars as well, because that's what makes you diabetic. So many things to watch as you get older. I used to be able to eat a whole large pepperoni pizza and not even gain a pound. By myself. One time I ate a whole loaf of white bread with mayonnaise, Blue Plate mayonnaise on it. It just tastes so good and savory to me, salty. It was like eating a piece of cake, only not sweet. And I would eat it and not gain a pound. Of course, I was a cheerleader and 16. Oh, those days. I wouldn't want them back. I like these days. Anyway, I love y'all. Please forgive me for not being around so much. I'm going to try again to do more. And also on my other channel, Beth Buchanan, Pure Bible, doing Bible studies and devotions. Please visit me over there. I'll put a link below. I love you guys. And I'll see you again soon. Bye. 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 Bye.